Hi, and welcome to the Flawless Beauty Fridge tutorial. Did you know that keeping beauty products at cooler temperatures has been proven to extend the shelf life of products? But that's not all. It also improves the overall application and quality of your favorite products. The Flawless Beauty Fridge is a mini refrigerator used for storing beauty serums, nail polish, organics, vitamins, creams, masks, and facial tools. This beauty fridge is lightweight and compact, with dimensions of 7 by 10 by 11. It easily fits into small spaces like your bathroom countertop, bedroom nightstand, vanity or desk, or wherever you find it convenient to keep your beauty supplies. Open the fridge and place your products inside however you like. The shelf inside is perfect for holding your serums, moisturizers, nail polish, and face rollers. I truly feel like I'm in a spa with these products at their ideal temperature. Your skin will thank you. Oh, and by the way, Flawless Beauty Fridge is the ultimate gift to give a loved one or even yourself. Stay cool, and remember, you're flawless.